Hey Dutchy crew, welcome back to the all new channel, Dutchy Outdoor Cooking and Barbecue. Today we're going to be cooking drumsticks 4 ways in the wood-fired oven. Let's cook. The first thing we've got to do is make some marinades. Our first marinade is going to be Korean Gouchang. We've got 2 tablespoons of Gouchang paste, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 2 finely chopped garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 1 teaspoon of ordinary oil, and 2 teaspoons of soya sauce. I'm going to place the pot on the electric ring in the all new outdoor cooking area. I'm just going to melt and combine these ingredients together. We're going to bring up to the boil, and then we're just going to simmer for about 5 minutes. And what we're looking for is to make a nice sticky type of jam. I'm going to take this off and let it cool down. Our next marinade is tandoori. So I've got 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt and 2 tablespoons of Dutch's Tandoor spice blend. I'll put a card above to see how to make the spice blend. So that's ready. We've got 3 chicken drumsticks. We're going to add the marinade to it. Give it a good massage. Ready for the fridge. Our next marinade is 2 tablespoons of jerk paste. Once again, there'll be a card up above to show you how to make it. Give it a good massage, and that's ready in the fridge. Our next one is a bit of an odd one. This is garlic butter. So we're going to add a drizzle of olive oil, and then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of Angus and Oink garlic butter. Good massage. Ready to go in the fridge. Going back to our first one now. We've got our Gouchang sauce that's cooled down into the bag, ready for the fridge. We've got this rack here to put our drumsticks on, and we've got a tray underneath to catch any drips. Just going to layer them up. I'm not going to show you in full speed how to do this, but we're just going to lay our 4 different flavours up. The first one's with the Gouchang, second one's tandoor, third one jerk, and the fourth one garlic butter. If you want to become a Dutch crew member, it's free. All you got to do is subscribe below. So these are all ready now. We're going to get them into the wood-fired oven. So we've got our wood-fired oven running at 150 degrees C. That's 302 F. We'll get the door on. We'll let these go for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to go in and rotate these through 180 degrees. You see, we're just trying to get a nice bit of colour onto these. Bit interesting, the ones that have got a sugary content in have started to take on a more deeper colour already. Door back on, and we're going to go for about another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, these have started to take on some really nice colour. They've hit an internal temperature of 74 degrees C, that's 165 F, and I'm going to pull these. The ones that have got a bit more of a sugary content have started to go darker quicker. And what we're going to do now is get these plated up. So there's our drumsticks plated up. Gouchang ones, we've got sesame seeds on. Tandoori ones, we've got some fresh chopped coriander. Jerk ones, we've got some fresh chilies. The garlic butter one, we've just got some fresh garlic butter laying over the top and melting through. If I'm honest, the taste test came out. The garlic butter is my favourite. The card here on the left was chosen especially for you.